In many cases, you can repair a stripped screw using wood glue, a few toothpicks or bamboo skewers, and the original screw. Since I don't want to buy a new craft table and my kids use this all the time, we're going to fix it. Start by removing the screw and cleaning out the hole. Then apply a small amount of wood glue inside. Fill roughly half of the hole with glue. Next, insert the toothpicks or skewers until the hole is packed tightly. Bamboo is dense and durable, making it an excellent material for rebuilding the stripped wood. Once the glue has fully cured, trim the bamboo flush with the surface. I use a keyhole saw here, which is typically intended for drywall, but it worked perfectly. Now these screws have a blunt tip and not a pointy one, so you may not have to do this, but before reinstalling the screw, I drill a pilot hole through the center of the repair. Use a drill bit that's about the same size as the screw's shank, not the threads on the screw, because those threads need something to dig into. And if the pilot hole is too big, it can't catch into the wood that you just put into the hole. The pilot hole gives the screw a path to follow, helps prevent the bamboo from splitting, and allows the threads to bite into the repair more cleanly. Now drive the original screw back in. The threads will cut into the bamboo or the toothpicks and the surrounding wood, creating a strong, secure hold without needing a larger screw. This repair works great for furniture, cabinet hinges, door hardware, shelves, and just about any stripped screw hole in wood. It's inexpensive, easy to do, and can save you from replacing an otherwise perfectly good piece of furniture. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.